Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find first of all about device, because first of all we have to activate developer options, thanks to which we will be able to find the option connected with the automatic system updates. So now let's enter the version and keep tapping on the version number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, we are here, so we can go back. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So now we can enter additional settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find developer options, and here scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and right now your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device, however remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.